Bettye's cooking channel. Today I'm gonna show you what I eat in a day. So let me show you that. I added some rice, cauliflower rice to my plate. Now I'm gonna add Parmesan chicken to my plate. Ooh, it's really hot. Okay, I'm gonna give it a taste. I'm gonna add a little more of the sauce. Not too much, because I don't want to add too many carbs to my plate. It is now 2:24, and this is what I'm having for dinner this evening. So that's some avocado on my plate there, and some Parmesan chicken and cauliflower rice. It is so good. Can't stop eating it. It's delicious. Cauliflower rice is delicious. If you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, and have a wonderful day. And thanks so much for watching.